Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate GitHub pull requests with your Clickup tasks step by step. This is a very useful integration for developers, project managers, and teams working on software projects because it helps keep coding progress and task management connected in one workflow. Once everything is linked properly, Clickup can automatically track pull request activity and update task information as your code moves through the development process. To get started, open your browser and head over to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your login credentials. You can also use the Google login option if your account is connected to Google for faster access. After signing in, you'll land on your main Clickup dashboard where all your workspaces, projects, and tasks are organized. Now we need to access the integration settings. At the top right corner of the dashboard, look for the More menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Apps. This section acts as the central area for managing integrations and additional tools connected to your Clickup workspace. Inside the Apps section, click on All Apps to browse every available integration. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar. Type GitHub into the search field and press Enter. This will quickly filter the results and display the GitHub integration option. Once you see GitHub in the results, click on it to open the setup page. You'll now see a button labeled Connect. Click the button to begin linking your GitHub account with Clickup. During this process, GitHub may ask you to authorize permissions. These permissions allow Clickup to access your repositories and track pull request activity. Carefully review the permissions and make sure you connect the correct GitHub account, especially if you manage multiple repositories or organizations. After the integration is connected successfully, you can start attaching pull requests directly to your Clickup tasks. Open the specific task where you want the pull request to appear. Inside the task, look for the option to attach or link a pull request through the GitHub integration. Click the Attach PR option and select the correct repository from your connected GitHub account. After choosing the repository, select the pull requests you want to link to the task. Once linked, Clickup will automatically monitor the pull request's status, including whether it is open, merged, or closed. One of the biggest advantages of this integration is automation. As developers update pull requests inside GitHub, those changes become visible directly inside Clickup tasks. This helps project managers and team members stay updated without constantly switching between platforms. To make sure everything works correctly, it's a good idea to test the connection first. Attach a pull request to a sample task and monitor whether status updates appear automatically inside Clickup. You should start seeing indicators showing pull request activity and synchronization details. It's also important to periodically check the Apps section to ensure the GitHub integration remains active. Sometimes permissions may expire or repositories may need additional authorization, especially if your GitHub setup changes over time. And that's it. You've successfully connected GitHub pull requests with Clickup tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.